In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily hide your YouTube channel. First, you have to log into YouTube, then go to YouTube Studio. Once you're there, on the left-hand side, click Settings, then select your channel, Advanced Settings, scroll down, and under Channel Visibility, you will see Hide Channel. Click Hide Channel and confirm it with Hide. Please remember that your videos, playlists, and channel details will no longer be visible to viewers. As a channel owner, you can still see your channel page, art and icon, videos and playlists, comments and analytics, as well as your community posts. You can make your channel visible again anytime, and your content will be public to viewers. And that's it. Feel free to leave me a feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.